Hi, I'm Matthew, and through meditation, I've been able to reflect on the topic of me who feels lacking and unqualified. So, for most of my life, I always remember having this feeling of being not good enough. I was a shy and quiet kid, and when I was around other people or in conversations, I often felt like I just didn't know what to say or I didn't know how to respond. I always had this fear that people were judging me for maybe something I said or how I said it. And this led me to really feel like I was just lacking something. That when it came to socializing and being with other people, that everybody else just had something that I didn't have. And even in my personal life with my interests or hobbies, I often had trouble starting things, whether that was studying or deciding if I wanted to just do something for fun. I always felt anxious, especially as I got older and in college. I felt like I didn't know who I was, I didn't know what I liked to do. And from doing this method of self reflection and letting go, I learned how to express myself, how to express what I'm feeling, and actually identify what was triggering me and what's bothering me. And just being a part of this amazing community, it also helped me to get to know my interests and what I'm good at. I received so much help through this method and from the people here that I also wanted to give back. And so I got involved with helping my center, whether just simple interactions with members really improved. I found myself much more comfortable in conversations. I was also learned how to do things that I've never done before, like different online work, like building websites or taking care of social media, and even doing various construction projects. I found that I really enjoyed that. And so this gave me an avenue to actually find my strengths, what I'm good at, and what I like to do. And now I'm actually pursuing a career in web development, which is something that I found I really enjoy because this method really gave me the perspective to see what I'm good at and what do I enjoy and to find something that meets both instead of just chasing something that I thought would make me happy or that I thought I'd like or that others would like.
When I was asked to make a video about feeling unqualified and how meditation has helped me, my first thought was, don't you want to find somebody who's a little more qualified to speak about the subject? As I look back on my life, I realized that I had actually felt unqualified and lacking from a very young age, and I'd always been searching for a way to overcome these feelings. By reflecting on and letting go of all of the circumstances and events that created this foundation of lack, I've been able to find a quiet confidence from within. I realized these feelings were actually the driving force in my life, and once I let them go, I was able to step into the calm and confident version of me, more fully aligned with the universe. It takes time, effort, and patience, but little by little, as I let go of this feeling of lack and being unqualified, I'm able to be more comfortable around the people in my life and in different circumstances. I'm able to take on tasks that before I would be afraid to fail at. And little by little, I'm becoming a person that I'm proud to be. I'm so grateful to have this opportunity to do so. Thank you so much.